Best Sports Cars for 2024-2023 Dodge Challenger. In the realm of high-performance automobiles, few names evoke the same level of excitement and admiration as the Dodge Challenger. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Dodge Challenger stands out as a timeless icon that continues to captivate drivers with its blend of raw power, retro styling, and uncompromising performance. Despite being a carryover model from the previous year, the 2023 Dodge Challenger remains a formidable contender in the fiercely competitive sports car segment. Boasting muscular lines, aggressive styling, and an unmistakable presence on the road, the Challenger pays homage to its heritage while incorporating modern technology and engineering advancements to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, the 2023 Challenger offers a range of potent engine options, including powerful V6 and V8 variants, each delivering impressive levels of horsepower and torque. Whether opting for the brute force of the Hellcat or the balanced performance of the R/T model, drivers can expect heart-pounding acceleration and a symphony of engine roar that stirs the soul. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The 2023 Dodge Challenger also excels in the corners, thanks to its responsive handling and precise steering. Whether navigating tight turns on the track or cruising down winding country roads, the Challenger offers a dynamic driving experience that's sure to put a smile on the face of any enthusiast. Inside the cabin, the Challenger greets occupants with a driver-centric design and a range of modern amenities and technology features. From premium materials and comfortable seating to advanced infotainment systems and safety technologies, every detail is carefully crafted to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel connected and in control at all times. As one of the best sports cars for 2024, the Dodge Challenger continues to set the standard for performance and style in the automotive industry. Its bold design, powerful engines, and relentless attitude make it a top choice for drivers who crave excitement and demand nothing but the best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2023 Dodge Challenger stands out as a true icon, a testament to American muscle and automotive excellence. With its blend of power, performance, and personality, it continues to inspire passion and excitement among drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best sports cars of 2024 and beyond.